If you're over 40 and you've been told that your best years are behind you, that losing weight is impossible now, or that you just have to accept a slower, heavier, more tired version of yourself, I'm here to tell you that's complete nonsense. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you why your 40s can actually be your fittest, strongest, and most energetic decade yet. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to make it happen. So if you're ready to stop making excuses and start making progress, keep watching. Hey everyone, and welcome to Fit After 40. I'm your name, and this channel is dedicated to one simple mission: proving that age is just a number when it comes to getting fit, losing weight, and feeling absolutely incredible in your body. Now, let me be real with you for a second. I started this channel because I was tired of seeing fitness content that either ignores people over 40 completely or treats us like we're fragile and need to take it easy. The truth is, we don't need easier, we need smarter. This is your headquarters for science-backed, realistic, and actually achievable fitness strategies designed specifically for bodies and lives after 40. No gimmicks, no magic pills, no BS, just real information that works. Whether you're dealing with a stubborn metabolism, hormonal changes, joint issues, or just the reality of a busy life with responsibilities, this channel is for you. So hit that subscribe button right now, because we're building a community of people who refuse to let age define what they're capable of. Today, I want to share exactly what Fit After 40 is all about, why this decade can be your best one yet, and the 3 fundamental principles that will guide everything we do together. Let's get into it. First, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, your body is different at 40 than it was at 20. But different doesn't mean worse, it just means we need a different approach. Here's what actually changes. Your metabolism slows down by about 2–8% per decade after 30. That's real, but it's not dramatic. It means you might burn 100–200 fewer calories per day than you did in your 20s. That's one cookie. This is not the catastrophic shutdown people make it out to be. Your hormone levels shift. Testosterone decreases in men, estrogen fluctuates in women. This affects muscle mass, fat storage, and energy. But again, it's manageable with the right strategies. Your recovery time increases. You can't bounce back from intense workouts as quickly. This doesn't mean you can't work out hard, it means you need to be smarter about rest and recovery. Your joints have more mileage on them. High-impact activities might not feel as good anymore, so we adapt and find alternatives that work. But here's what most people don't talk about: you also have advantages now that you didn't have at 20. You have wisdom and self-awareness. You know your body better. You're less likely to do stupid things that lead to injury. You have the mental discipline and life experience to stick with something long-term instead of jumping from one trend to another. You probably have more resources, time, money, knowledge to invest in your health properly. And here's the big one: you have motivation that goes beyond vanity. At 20, you might want abs for the beach. At 40 plus, you want energy to play with your kids, health to avoid medications, strength to maintain independence as you age. That's powerful motivation that actually sustains you. So yes, things are different. But that doesn't mean getting fit after 40 is harder, it just means we need to work smarter. And that brings me to the 3 core principles that everything on this channel is built on. Principle number 1, strength training is non-negotiable. I don't care if you've never lifted a weight in your life. I don't care if you think cardio is the answer. I don't care if you're worried about getting bulky. Building and maintaining muscle is the single most important thing you can do for your health after 40. Here's why. Starting around age 30, you lose 3–5% of your muscle mass per decade. This is called sarcopenia, and it's the real reason your metabolism slows down. Less muscle means fewer calories burned at rest, which means easier weight gain. But here's the good news: this is completely reversible. You can build muscle at 40, 50, 60, and beyond. Studies show that people in their 70s can increase muscle mass significantly with proper strength training. More muscle means higher metabolism, you burn more calories just existing. Better insulin sensitivity, your body handles carbs better. Stronger bones, reducing osteoporosis risk. Improved balance and coordination, preventing falls. Enhanced functional fitness, making daily life easier. Better body composition, you look and feel better. On this channel, you'll learn how to strength train safely and effectively even if you're a complete beginner. We'll cover home workouts with minimal equipment, gym routines, proper form to avoid injury, and how to progress over time. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder. It's about building a strong, resilient, capable body that serves you well for decades to come. Now, strength training is crucial, but it's only one piece of the puzzle. The second principle is where most people over 40 go completely wrong, and it's sabotaging their results without them even realizing it. Principle number 2, recovery is half the battle. This is where the work smarter, not just harder mentality really comes into play. When you were younger, you could work out 6 days a week, sleep 5 hours, eat junk food, and still make progress. Those days are over. And honestly, that's a good thing because that approach is terrible for long-term health anyway. After 40, recovery becomes just as important as the workout itself. This means sleep is priority number 1, 7 to 8 hours minimum. This is when your body repairs muscle, regulates hormones, and consolidates all the hard work you did. Skimp on sleep and you'll struggle to lose weight no matter what you do. Rest days are mandatory, not optional. You need at least 2-3 full rest days per week. This doesn't mean sitting on the couch, it means active recovery like walking, stretching, or gentle yoga. Nutrition timing matters more now. Getting adequate protein after workouts, staying hydrated, managing inflammation through diet, these things have a bigger impact than they used to. Stress management is critical. Chronic stress elevates cortisol, which promotes belly fat storage, disrupts sleep, and interferes with recovery. Meditation, deep breathing, time in nature, these aren't luxuries, they're necessities. On this channel, we'll dive deep into recovery strategies, sleep optimization, stress management techniques, and how to listen to your body's signals so you know when to push and when to rest. Alright, we've covered strength training and recovery. But there's one more principle that ties everything together, and without this, none of the other stuff matters. This is the principle that separates people who transform their bodies from people who stay stuck. Principle number 3, consistency beats perfection every single time. This is the hardest lesson to learn, but the most important one. You don't need the perfect workout program, you don't need the perfect diet, you don't need perfect genetics or perfect circumstances. You need to show up consistently, week after week, month after month, and do the work. The fitness industry has conditioned us to look for quick fixes, 30-day transformations, miracle supplements, secret techniques. But real, lasting transformation comes from doing pretty good things consistently over a long period of time. Here's what consistency looks like in practice. Working out 3-4 times per week even when you don't feel like it. Not 7 days a week when you're motivated, then nothing for 2 weeks when life gets busy. Steady, sustainable effort. Eating well 80% of the time and enjoying life the other 20%. Not perfect meal prep every day, then binging on weekends. Balanced, flexible nutrition. Getting 7-8 hours of sleep most nights. Not sacrificing sleep all week, then sleeping 12 hours on Saturday trying to catch up. Making small, sustainable changes that you can maintain for years, not dramatic overhauls that you abandon in 3 weeks. On this channel, we focus on building systems and habits that fit into real life. We're not training for the Olympics, we're training for life. That means strategies you can actually stick with long-term. So what can you expect from Fit After 40? Every week, I'll be releasing videos covering workout tutorials showing you exactly how to perform exercises safely and effectively, with modifications for different fitness levels and physical limitations. Nutrition guides, realistic eating strategies that fit into busy lives, without giving up foods you love or spending hours in the kitchen. Science breakdowns explaining the research behind why certain approaches work, so you understand the why, not just the what. Transformation stories, real people over 40 who have achieved incredible results, sharing what actually worked for them. Q&A sessions, answering your specific questions about fitness, nutrition, recovery, and everything in between. Challenge series, fun, achievable challenges we can do together as a community. Myth busting, calling out the BS in the fitness industry and giving you truth instead of hype. Everything on this channel is filtered through the lens of, is this realistic for someone over 40 with a real life, real responsibilities, and real physical considerations? If not, we're not doing it. Alright, here's what I want you to do right now. Action 1, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. New videos drop every day of week and you don't want to miss a single one. We're building something special here, a community of people who refuse to accept that 40 means slowing down. Action 2, leave a comment below answering this question. What's your biggest fitness challenge right now? Is it motivation, time, not knowing where to start, joint pain, slow metabolism? Tell me your struggle and I'll create content specifically to help you overcome it. I read every single comment. Action 3, check out the playlist I've created called Start Here, Fit After 40 Beginner's Guide. It's got 3 essential videos every person over 40 needs to watch before starting their fitness journey. Link is in the description. Action 4, follow me on Instagram/other social for daily motivation, quick tips, and behind-the-scenes content. Let's connect there too. And here's a challenge for you. I want you to commit to one small action today. Not tomorrow, not Monday, today. Maybe it's a 10-minute walk. Maybe it's drinking an extra glass of water. Maybe it's going to bed 30 minutes earlier tonight. Just one small win. Then come back to this video tomorrow and comment, day 1 done. We'll build momentum together, one day at a time. Remember this, your age is not your limitation, your mindset is. Every single day, people over 40 are getting stronger, leaner, healthier, and more energetic. There's absolutely no reason you can't be one of them. Your body is capable of incredible things. You just need the right information, the right approach, and the right community supporting you. You've got all 3 right here. This is not about chasing your 20-year-old body. This is about building your strongest, healthiest, most capable 40-plus body. This is about having the energy to live life fully, the strength to do whatever you want, and the confidence that comes from taking control of your health. Your transformation starts now, not someday, not when circumstances are perfect, now. Welcome to Fit After 40. I'm so glad you're here. Let's do this together. I'll see you in the next video. Now go take that first action.